Hey guys, so a few quick reminders before we do today's math. So, some of you guys are worried about turning in things late. Bro, just turn the stuff in. I'm not gonna mark you late. Even if it says late on School Loop, you're gonna get full points every time. Just turn them all into me. Now, today you'll have 4 assignments to turn into me. So take one picture that looks like this and send that my way. Also, 1 week from today is our next Zoom chat. So be prepared for that. We'll do something different, something fun, no singing. There will be prizes involved for whatever activity I come up with. Also, no team quiz tomorrow. So after today's lesson, the next time I'll talk to you will be on Monday. So that being said, let's do some math. Okay guys, please take out yesterday's notes and let's try one more problem. So here is another fun fact to add to your list of facts, and that is that tangent of 2 theta equals 2 tangent theta divided by 1 minus tangent squared theta. So here's another one of those identities that I want us to get familiar with. So with this fact in mind, let's try this example here. Let cosecant of theta equal negative 15 square root 14 over 56 with 540 less than or equal to theta less than 630, period. Now what's the goal? We have to have a goal, of course. And here, the goal is provide of tangent to theta. Now, of course, we want the answer to be exact. Let's see where our right triangle belongs. To make that decision, you look here. Now, I know that this is 0, this is 90, this is 180, and this is 270. And 0 is also known as 360. But if you look, these numbers are not here. But it's okay, because anytime you have angles that are really big, you can make them small by subtracting 360. That was the idea of coterminal angles. So from here, subtract 360 from this, and that gives you back 180. And then here, subtract 360 from this, that gives you 270. So our theta is really sandwiched between 180 and 270, which means quadrant number 3. And then look at what's given to us. We're given cosecant. Now cosecant is hypotenuse over opposite. So this is your hypotenuse, and this is your opposite. So in our diagram, the hypotenuse is 15 square root 14, and the opposite is going to be 56, but it's negative because you went down. Now let's find the missing side with Pythagorean theorem. Suppose that this is A, that's B, and this is C. So we have A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And this is A squared plus, I believe this is 3136, and I believe this is 3150. Subtract this from A squared is 14, so A is square root of 14. That belongs here. However, what's missing, guys? What's missing? It should be negative because you move to the left. Now we're ready to proceed to the goal, tangent to theta. So let's see here. We have tangent of 2 theta equals, well again, that 2 is an issue. That's why we have trig identities to help us out. So tan 2 theta equals 2 tan theta over 1 tangent squared theta. Now the only thing that I need to accomplish this is tangent. So let me show my work here. I just want to find tangent of theta. So I have tangent of theta. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So that would be negative 56 over negative square root 14. Let's type that into our devices. The Casio said 4 square root 14. 4 square root 14. So this is tangent, which replaces both of these tangents. So here we are. We have 2 times 4 square root 14 over 1 minus parentheses squared 4 square root 14. Where did that square come from? That square is this, and tan theta is that. Now let's type this in for our final answer. It should be negative 8 square root 14 over 223. We can box this in as our final result. So now please go off and try exit ticket 14. And as was discussed in the reminders, I'll talk to you guys on Monday.